Hello everyone, I'm Manas and I'm from Learn with Super Audio. And MI A2 is a very good phone which is at a very low cost and can be purchased by everyone. It is budget friendly. And one of the other reason why MI2 is very famous is because it is having the Android One device and it gets updates very easily and very quickly. So because of that, we have many Android One devices which are going to be coming in this year. But the main reason why we choose MI is it provides a blend of all the very good features. So we get all the best features in a single blend, in a single phone. So now, yesterday there was a news that these days the MI A2 is receiving Pi update. Now what is Android P? Android P is the latest version of Android 9.0, and it has awesome features like it has artificial intelligence, machine learning, app actions, slices, etc. All these help in navigating your phone easily, efficiently, and it also contains digital well-being. Digital well-being is a feature that is recently being a buzzword. Now we are getting technology, but are we using it for the correct purpose? No. So to utilize the technology perfectly, we have decided to add digital well-being. That is using the technology efficiently and only whenever it's required, so that it doesn't buzz into our daily life. So you may think that why are we talking this much? Now let's get started on how to update your MI A2 to the latest Android P. So let us start. Okay, so MI2, as you know, is a very good phone, and the main best feature about MI2 is that you get the latest updates in the quickest time possible. So today we are going to see, and today Xiaomi released update of Android P for this MI A2. So now let us see how we can update the MI A2 to Android P. To start off, go to settings. First you must have data. It's about 1 GB, so you must just find a Wi-Fi, or if you can use mobile network, it's okay. Then first I'm going to settings. So here is the settings page. Now scroll to the bottom where it says system, click on it, and here in the system page you get all this data. So click on system updates. Okay, so as soon as if you have the latest security update installed, that is November security update, you should get a screen like this saying that your system update available, that is your MI2 will be updated to Android Pie. If you don't get this particular screen, try to update to the latest version of the latest security version update of MI2. Once you're done, it will show you an option to download. Click on download, it will download. As it is said here, it is 1067 MB. So you just need to know if you are possible for that. And once you have downloaded it, so we have so many features which I'll be mentioning in the next video about Android P, the features of Android P. From that, if just the basics, it has new features including adaptive battery and adaptive features and simple ways to navigate your phone and recommended actions based on your context, which uses machine learning, that is ML. So now to start off, first I will click on restart now. Once your once you downloaded the update, give an option to restart now. To install, just tap this restart now and your device will start restarting. So click boot up. It may take 5 to 10 minutes because it is updating your Android to the next version. Unlike a security patch where you only get a security update. So here our MI is booting up.
May take few minutes.
So my M8 is booting out here. We must be patient as it may take 10 to 15 minutes. Don't panic. Nothing will be over to your phone because it's updating to the next version. It will take some time.
It's installing the whole system update, so be patient, and if there are any problems just comment below if there are any booting problems or such, because we don't know when any bug may be. So yep, your MI2
And
has booted
voila,
up
our
finally
system has booted.
with Android P. So
As
let
you
us
can
just
see
see.
now, our MI82 has booted.
And as we have
So
seen
let's
here,
see
now we
how the
get
latest
only
Pi update is.
two
Okay, yeah.
buttons like the
All
pixel
apps are
style
owning and the
navigation
background services are coming
menu.
back
We
online.
hit the
It may
old
take
regular three
some
buttons.
2 minutes or
So
three
phone is
minutes to
starting, the
get all
apps
the
are
apps
being
optimized
opened,
and
and the
starting.
background
It depends
services
on
are
how many
starting.
apps you had before. I had very few, so it may take less time for me. Let us see.
This slider bar over here, it's a new feature, and it's a very useful, as it helps us using the phone using a single hand. It helps in us navigating it using
Yeah,
a
now
single hand.
my and
So yep,
MI
now we got
A1A2 Android One
the
device has
whole
successfully
method
booted
again.
into Pi.
I hope
And
that
yep,
will be
it's
fixed
Wi-Fi.
later.
It's checking
And
for
one more
Wi-Fi and
thing
Bluetooth
we've seen
devices.
here is
And
our
one major thing that
Google
I
search
saw was the
button. Google search
Google
bar
search bar, which
has
was
gone
on the
from the
top,
top to the
came down
bottom. We
below
have
the
all
app
this,
icons. It's a
and
very good GUI
presently we
update.
are not
And
able to
now,
see this
when we swipe
triangle
it the
which used to
first
be
time,
here
we do not
presently,
get
if you
the
come
triangle
back.
anymore. So when
Now
we swipe it up,
yep,
we get
it
the all
says
apps
system
thing. And
update
yep,
finished.
secure system
Okay,
update over. Click on OK.
so here we have
Now the
the
next thing we have app
all
actions will
recently
be
opened
available
apps,
once
and
the
it looks
system
good.
has totally
And we
booted
have
up.
the search
And now we
apps
will have the
option
different
also
recent
available.
applications, which is a very good
And
GUI
here we
update.
have all the
And
pre
we have
installed
the
apps,
list of
which is
recent
very
apps.
good.
I love the
And now
GUI,
let us
new
see.
GUI. And
And
when we
this is
click
the
on the recent
new
apps, now
navigation
it
style
become
in Google
vertical instead of
Pixel,
before, which was
which
now
also
yeah,
looks
it became
good,
horizontal
and
before, which
it
was
gives us an ample opportunity. So
vertical.
because
So
again now
loved it.
if you
And again, when
swipe
we
it,
swipe it
it
up
gives you the all apps
the bar,
drawer.
search bar, we get the all apps
And I
menu,
hope
which is a very good
the
GUI.
feature of a
It's a great
single
change in
hand
it.
drawing will be added later as well. And we have
And the icons
new
are also more
features
rounded, and we get a
with
nice, simple,
different
easy navigation which we can
icons
use with
for them.
a single
And
hand.
here we are using
So
adaptive
yep, the
brightness.
system update is
So
finishing, and
here
we have a Bluetooth and
your
Wi-Fi scanning, which are
scanning
already
settings, Wi-Fi
started.
and Bluetooth scanning
So
are on. Okay, yep, that's very
presently, I
good.
did not face any
And
bug while
all
using the
the
Android
latest
T.
apps
It
are
was
being
very
installed.
awesome,
And here
and loved
just
all the
finishing the
new
Android
updates
update.
and the changes which
Love the
came.
UI. And when you go to settings,
So
the
here in
first
the
major
settings
thing we'll
page, there
get
is
to
a
know is
lot of
we
rechange in
have
the
colors
GUI.
for these
We have now
icons in a
colored
much
icons for
brighter
each
way.
and more brighter and easy
So
to
we
understand
have nightlight
headings
on,
for all
and
of them.
first we'll
That
just
was
set.
one thing which I liked.
So
And
okay,
now
in the
let us
about
click
phone
on the
section
about
we have a
phone. So in the
lot of
about phone
change in it.
section, we
Here
get
we
the
have the
user of the
username of
phone,
your
and
phone,
later we have the
and here
device
you have the
name, the
device name which
phone
you can
number,
change, and it gives you
and
the
the
mobile
emergency contact
number and your
information. And
emergency
if you have another
contacts. And
SIM
if you
card, you
have a
get all the SIM
another
card
SIM,
data.
it gives you
And
details on that as well. It even gives you all your
yep, we get the
SIM's
model
data and
name,
model and
IMEI
hardware
slots,
data with your
And
serial
yeah,
number,
we even get the
and
model
you
and
have all the
hardware
model number,
SNEI
IMEI
serial
numbers,
number.
and here
And if you
when
go
we
and click on
go
Android
on tap
version,
on
yeah,
Android version, it
there's a
gives us
lot
a
of
new
change in
layout
it. You
saying
have
that
all
your
the
Android
Android
version is
security patch level, baseband
9.9,
version,
there's a
kernel version,
9.0,
build
and we
number,
have
and
security update
Android
of fifth
version. Let us
number,
double tap on the
and a
Android
baseband
version.
version, and a kernel
Double
version, and a
tapping.
build number, which is P. So let's see what is the thing in P.
Yep,
So
now
I'll just
if we deep press and double tap on it, let us see
yep,
where does it
okay, yep.
go.
We have night
Oh
bright
yeah, nice
colors
color
with
changing,
P
hypnotizing
being
P.
a
So this
hypnotizing
has a
P.
Easter egg
Looks
of a
great
hypnotizing P, which
with
changes
colors
color,
changing on
and
every
it
tap.
keeps on rotating.
Yep, that
That
is
looks
very
good
good.
and promising.
No, we even have the different IP address. That
Yep,
looks
there has
very
been a
good and
lot of
interesting.
revamping in the
So
GUI,
we
which
have
is
all the features,
awesome.
app permissions as usual.
Presently, the digital
Plus
well-being feature
adaptive
doesn't
brightness
come with
also, which is being
the
enabled
Android
according
P
to
of the
surrounding. It
MIA2. We have
changes your
adaptive brightness,
brightness,
which changes the brightness
and here we have
according
all
to
the
your
general
present
displays.
situations, which is very promising. Later,
Here
we
we
have all
have
the
all
regular
the
settings
basic
and the
things,
Google
and it's
settings and
very
the
easy
system
and convenient to use.
phone,
One more
etc. I
change in
love
Pi
the
is that when you press the
GUI.
volume button, you get
And
your,
we have
you can
now
change it here,
a
and you can
vertical
toggle
slider which
between
we can
silent,
use it to
no
change the volume and
notifications,
temperature. We have a notifications
and your
off,
call
our
and
phone
ping.
vibrate
It looks
more with
very
which
good
we
and
can
easy to
easily
handle.
operate with a single hand.
And here we
And
have different accounts as well,
we have
and here
all
we
the
have the
accounts as
MI
usual,
services as
and
well,
we have the MI
and
services
different
as
Google
well,
product
the Google
services are
services are
also
page as
available to
well.
us. One thing which I presently don't find in this update was Google
Hmm.
said that with the Android P it's going to
Huh.
give it new digital
All the
well-being, which
settings
I
looks
don't still
promising and
find it.
easily
I
understandable
hope it
by
will be in the
normally
next updates,
non-tech
and
genius
let
also.
us try one thing now. As Google said that the
Now
device
let's
can
do some
now
testing with
wind
it.
down. So let us just check it.
The present thing which is not there presently is
Hey
a
Google,
single
set my
navigation gesture
wind down
toolbar. I
time
think that Google
at
will add it soon.
9
And let us
o'clock.
just check if digital well-being option is there in the assistant. Oh, no, it's not there.
Hey Google,
It's still not
set
integrated.
my
I
wind
hope it will
off
be integrated
time
very
at
soon.
8:45.
Once just we'll give it another try. Yep, no,
That's what.
it's
It's
still not
not able to detect
integrated.
the wind
Maybe
off
integrated in the
feature. So I hope
near
that will
coming
be added
future.
soon.
And if it is
But
integrated,
until
it will
then,
look
we'll
very
have
good.
some mods which I'll be showing in the next video. But comparatively to Android Oreo, the present GUI
The
looks
app
so
uh,
good with
desktop
all
screen is
the
also
data
looking good,
being
and the GUI of
here,
the Google app is also
and it's
changed
a very
a
good
bit.
thing for where we can use
We have
single
now
hand
better
navigation,
notification area.
and all the colors are bright and can be easily
We
seen.
have night light and without
Yep,
night
night
light.
light is
That also looks
working good. We
promising.
have battery saver, everything enabled, and we should have
Yeah, we should
nice
have new
wallpapers
wallpapers and
as, and
nice
yeah,
live
here we
wallpapers
have
as
few
well.
changes. We can use
And in the home
notification
settings,
dots
yes, we
at the
have few
glance.
new
We can
changes.
even
Yep,
change
that
the
looks
rotation
promising as
and
well.
suggestions.
If we
Yep,
disable
we
the
want
allow home
all of
screen
them.
rotation,
We want the
it also looks
suggestions
much better.
as
And we have app
well.
actions as enabled as well.
Yep, the Google app looks so good. So now let us see if we got any new wallpapers. Yep.
Yep, we have default
We
wallpapers as
get
well and
these extra
few new
wallpapers
wallpapers
which
which I
I
installed.
install an app
The
for, but
Google
we even
Tree
get my
Launcher
default
wallpapers you
wallpaper
can install
also,
them
which
as well.
look
I have
good.
uploaded the
And
APK in my
as
website
an
which you can see in
overall,
the
I can
description
say,
below.
yeah, see,
Yeah,
usually
there we
if
go,
you
the app
call a
actions.
particular
It
person
gives
at a
you two
particular
options
time,
which
or
you
your
can call my
recent
dad and
data,
my
your
aunt
app,
as
your
well.
mobile gets used to
It
you,
looks
that
promising
it
enough
adapts to you. That is only
for
what we
app
call
actions.
machine learning. And the machine learning has been integrated very well in this MIA2, and with nice material design, the Android has been well polished into a new manner.
Everything looks
I
promising
love the
enough
UI and hope you also get your update for
and is a
Android
major
9.0, and the
revamp
other
in the
phones will
GUI by
also get
Google
the
after
9.0
so many
update very
years.
soon. But if you are on an Android 1, you will get it so earlier. That is the main advantage. So have fun experimenting around with it. If you find
We have
anything new
new
and
horizontal.
anything, you can just also have
Now
to
let us
test
test the
on the
camera of
camera
the
features in
MIA2,
Android
which has
Pie.
20
Looks
megapixel front
good as the
camera and
default
36
one
megapixel
itself.
back camera, which also
So
is very
it
promising.
looks
The photo
good.
quality is the same,
No,
and nothing more to say about the MI camera. It's awesome. It blends with the Sony camera with the automatic AI flash and
photo
everything.
also
Yep, it
looks
looks
good.
promising as well. Love to use
Um,
MI2
yep,
camera.
it looks good. Let us see if any new features were added into the
Yep, let's
settings
do
app.
some testing. There is no new setting in it,
No,
which
everything
was,
looks
uh,
good.
which was not there in the previous update.
And let us see how
Let's listen to some
Play
audio in
Music
Google Play
works.
Music and some other apps, and let's check the audio quality.
Yep, the sound also looks good.
It looks quite promising as well. Yep, the MI A2 has the best speaker with nice stereo
The
speakers
sound
inbuilt in
also
it. Yep. Now let's just listen to some songs,
sound
and later on we'll see how to install the
also looks
digital
good.
well-being app.
So let's test. The sound also looks great on the other things. Now let us see how the sound can. Let me just. Yep, in this as well. We're getting good sound also. Yep. So presently I don't see any bugs, but if you have, we can send them. Yep. We have a nice GUI. Yep.
Now let us see how to install the digital well-being app. To start off, go to Play Store. We'll just check it here. We don't have digital well-being app. So for this, you must have Android P or above and an Android One device or a Pixel device. As you see, my Android is to the latest Android version P, that is 9.0. Now go to Play Store and click on Digital Well-being. Yep, it's there. The first one, digital well-being, is says it's installed, and you must be a beta tester for the app. If you want to become beta tester, just click on the read more, and there you get the link sign up at the dash. Log in with your Gmail account or Google account as you call it, and as the app opens here, you can see I'm a beta tester. Just click on beta test this app, and you become a beta tester. After it becomes your beta tester, it takes around 10 minutes to make changes to your Google account. Once it's over, click on the update button to update the digital well-being app. Once that's done, it starts downloading. It makes take about 2 minutes or 3 minutes depending on your internet speed. It is just 2 MB. Once that's done, go to your settings page. Yeah, you have here the digital well-being section also in the settings. It looks promising. Today it gives us 21 minutes and 12 unlocks and 48 notifications. Now when we go to the dashboard, we can see how much time we used each app, and you can even set timers so that once the time is done, it becomes grayish in the screen. Now let us see what is this wind down. This wind down, if you give it your bedtime schedule, it allows you to sleep well in this day-to-day increasing technology. So to start off, click on next. What wind down mirror does basically does it changes your phone screen into a gray color, so it allows you to relax your eyes, get a bedtime reminder, avoid interruptions, so that do not disturb mode is on, and you get a good night's sleep, which is very important to work well the next day. So we can rise and shine. Wind down mode ends when it's morning and when you set the temperature. So click change your end time and start time to whenever you sleep and whenever you wake up. That looks as well promising as well. I'll set it to 8 a.m. Sorry, must be I think 8 p.m. Okay, let's give do not disturb access to digital well-being app as well. So let's keep the start time to about 9 p.m. I'll change it to 9 p.m. It looks good. You even have app notifications. What this basically does is it combines all the notifications that for that particular app and it shows you at one time. So we have even do not disturb method, which the basic settings allow you to have a good day, and it doesn't disturb you in any time. You are no call or something. All the basic settings are very good. Now let us just have a look at it. You can even add this to your home screen. You can set timers for your apps as we said before, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or a custom timer as well. And now you can see even digital well-being app is available in the all apps menu. And hope you like this video, and bye bye till the next video, then I'll meet you. Hope you enjoy using MI A2 with Pipe.